Okay, so let's look at determiner. Determiner. Used before nouns, so naming words, names of things. Pen, shirt, glasses, Adrian, Tom, suspenders, and beyond. And to help define it. Determine. Determiner, determine, define it. Which one? Determine. Determine. Determine which one, how many, where, things like that. So, a and the hat. I have, let me think, I have a pen, one. I have a pen. This is the whiteboard, only one. The whiteboard, yeah. This, that, these, those. This, that, these, those. So this and that for singular, one and one, these and those for 2+. So this and that, this pen, that door, that wall, that wall, this pen, that wall. And then these, so more than one. So these pens, I have these pens ready for teaching. These pens, very good. Those pens over there, those pens, more than one over there in the distance. So then we have that house over there, that house, or that car, that person. Some, any, no. Some, yeah, a little bit. And any, more than one. More than one, any. Do you have any? Have I got any black pens? No, I have one. This one is the only black. All the others, those over there, are all green, red and blue. No black. But any food? Any food? At least one? Any food? 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 No food. Oh, no food. My, our, your, his, her, it's, their. So my, this is my pen. My pen. Our. Together, our pen. Yours and mine, our pen. And your, this is your pen. Your pen. His and her. The man, his, it is his pen, it is her pen. It's, maybe it's the dog's pen, the cat's pen, the dog's bed, the dog's food. Food. There's more than one person. This pen is theirs. So, his bike. So we have a bike, a noun, a thing, or food, a house, a hat, and we know which one it is. The house, that one, specifically that one. The hat, not a hat, the hat. I have the hat with me, or that house. Which house is it? That one. Any food at all? There is no food here. His bike. This bike belongs to him. This bike is his, not hers. His. Then we have many, few, little or much. Many, few, just a little bit, and much, not much, not much. So we have many options, many choices in life. I don't have many whiteboards, only one. But I have got, I could say, many pens. I got many pens, but here I only have two, so a few. Yeah. But we need a little more water for uncountable things. Like here, water. Water. I just need a little I need a little water to clean the whiteboard. A little bit of water. Just a little bit of water. I don't need much. Not much, just a little bit. Not too much. How cool is that? Yeah. But I don't have many bottles. I only have a few. This one, like maybe one or two others, one or two more. Yeah. So we use determiners to determine which noun it is exactly and how many there are. The house, not this house, that house. I want to buy a house, but which house? A house, but which house? That house. That house. That house. Yes. Any food? No food? None? None? Or some? Just a little bit? Some food? Any food? At least one? No? His bike, her bike, their bike, my bike, your bike. Many options, many choices. Many choices, a few choices. But you wouldn't say little choices or little or much choice. Much choices in life, no. You'd say things like, I haven't got much choice. We only have a little choice. Is it little choice, easy choice? We have little choice, nothing else we can do. Little choice. An expression. Nothing we can do. Little choice. That's it. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.